Welcome. If you're an admin of a Telegram group and want to prevent members from sending polls, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you step by step through the process on your PC so you can keep your group discussions focused and free from unwanted polls. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, find and open the group where you have admin rights. You'll see your list of chats on the left. Just click on the group you want to manage. Once you're inside the group chat, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you can control various aspects of your group. Now, look for the Permissions section. Click on it to open up all the settings that control what group members can and cannot do. Inside Permissions, you'll see a range of options, including Send Media. Click on Send Media to expand its settings. Here, you'll find the option labeled Send Polls. To prevent members from sending polls, simply disable the Send Polls option. This will stop everyone except admins from creating and sending polls in your group. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save to apply your new settings. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully prevented polls from being sent in your Telegram group on PC. This feature is especially useful for keeping your group chat organized and ensuring that discussions stay on topic. If you ever want to allow polls again, just follow these same steps and re-enable the Send Polls option. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram group with confidence.